This is where I'm at the moment. It's been the overhead has been all insulated. Don't know whether to just leave that or put carpet over it, or maybe even build a box. I don't know. Doesn't look like a kitchen right now, but got this little oven here, and this is my hob. This is my sink. Just test fitting this sink just now. Don't know whether I'm going to go with that. It cost me £10 brand new, so don't know whether I'll go with that. Or I've got a chance of getting a little round aluminium, stainless steel one. So see where I go with that. A wee oven's built in. Underneath that I'm going to put a big drawer for pots and pans and stuff. I think we'll probably build a cabinet here. So I've also got this was a solar panel that made a charge controller, which I don't know where that is, so but that's it. Some kind of where it's at just now. Under here's my wee garage. It's full of stuff already. I'm actually thinking of making it bigger, so just lengthwise by pulling this bed forward. I pull this to bring this forward. Still a bit to this door here, so I can bring it to there, or there. That'll give me another 4 or 5 inches, so inches count, you know. So that's where I'm at just now anyway. So this down here isn't part of anything. This is going to be getting reused in some way, but it's not going to be sitting. That's not what's sitting there. So that's where we're at. So nothing else to say, but I'm hard at it. So hard work in a small space out on the street. It's my bulkhead and that, still need to get rid of that, or am I going to reuse it? I don't know. Right, that's it for now. Right guys, people, internet, whatever you are. Got a wee bit done today. Down here I've got some of my electrics done, which is fun. It's not all tidied up or that yet, it's just connected, so I could see that I had power up here. And also got my wee thingies of lights up there. Yeah, up there. So I have power. Dog's dinner just now, but I'll tidy it up once I've got it all wired up for what I need. Definitely progress now. So Just waiting to get a laptop or decide what I'm going to do, make a laptop maybe, or buy one. Oh. That's where I'm at. Just up a couple of wee battery lights in there. Oh, it's falling off, it shouldn't have been falling off. Just a light to see in the cabinet when you open the door. Also, I was trying to figure out where to put my diesel heater. So I had this here sitting in the middle. You had a gap down each side just for if you want longer stuff to stick in the van. So what I did was I slid that across, slid it from there across. It's up against the wheel well on this side now. You see the light's not brilliant, it's the end of the night really. Down in here, coming out here, vent here, and I'm going to vent into the garage and keep the garage hot. So that'll be my next task. Getting prepared for tea and your coffee. Yeah, I think we'll running with that. So that's me for the day. Just make up that, I'll tell you, many ideas as you go, knowing that not everything goes to plan. But that's just the way it is. But yeah, I'm getting a wee bit more space to work in here now, so now that I've used up some of the wood and got some stuff in place. I got kit for gas kit and a water kit, so I should be able to get these set up, and my sink. And I got this with my sink kit. You call it a tap. But there wasn't meant to be a tap in it. There wasn't in the description on the online there wasn't a tap in it. Sent me a tap, right? And I'm guessing that guessing that this nut here is supposed to screw onto here, this bit here. But it's too big, and I can't get back to them because there wasn't meant to be a tap in it. And they might say, well, you're not meant to have a tap, send it back, so I'll figure something out. But yeah, I got a tap and it's maybe micro switch ones. So I've got a big tap, an actual kitchen tap, but I think I'll go with this little one. So it means I don't need to. If I go with the kitchen tap, I'll need to put a switch on the water pump. If I go with this has got the switch built into it, so I just need to connect the water pump up, and and this switches it on and off, so I'll go with this. But yeah, I wasn't meant to have it, so I'll take it whenever I can. So that's it for now, guys. I'll catch you next time, guys. Well, got on quite a bit. I haven't filmed a lot because my head's pure busting with it. But, I've put my solar panel on the roof. Up here. I've also done a wee bit more wiring down here. It's like spaghetti junction, but I've not tidied up or anything. I'm just getting stuff working at the moment. So what I've done up here is this switch here controls all these. So the switch, when it's off, all of them go off. So there's no drainage on the battery. Charge controllers. What's it saying? It's drawn in 13.3 or something, I don't know. I don't know how to read them. Working anyway, because my battery was only at 12.2, so I'm sitting at 13 and I haven't went anywhere, so good stuff, it works. For 60 quid, you can't really grumble. So I've fitted my solar, my charge controller, quite a bit of electric. I'm going to have a USB point here somewhere. And I'll probably have a light over at the back there. Or a light with a USB point probably. And I've run some cable along here to this point. Just now. And that will be for USB down here somewhere. I'm going to build a bit here. So still got this diesel heater to fit here, and I still have some wiring to do, and still got to do my plumbing. Under here, just a pure basic setup. Just the waste, it just goes on there. Like so. I'll just Jubilee clip that into one of these. To do that, and obviously my tap. I need to get a worktop first. I've run the gas pipes connected in here, and this pipe's just out here loose just now. Well, two of them are there loose just now. I need to get a T-piece. Just T-piece a couple of corners, and I'll just bung from together, and then one orange lead, orange hose right into. This is my wee gas locker it's going to be. So, I think I'll go and get them fucking B&Q again. So I thought I'd been done with that place. Also, this has all been done round the back here, here, so cut here. This was my brother that done this, down this side. It's all glued, no screws in it at all. That needs a rub down. You look at this. Yes. Crap out of B&Q. Cutting it, the veneer's so fine it's just breaking up. Absolute rubbish. That'll need to all be sanded. And that's, it'd be good as a wood store that, but it's going to be a pot store for my pots and stuff. My wood will be in the back. Right, I still like camping and having a campfire, so I'll always carry wood. What else? Yeah, I've done all the back of there. It's all done right across the back. This is my garage under this bed. These were just old cushions off of an old sofa I had, so I just bung them in there and then just bend them over and they catch under this wee lip here.